In this meditation, you will learn how to love yourself. In this meditation, you will experience the bliss. You will get a beautiful experience how you can love yourself. You'll get the insight that your happiness is not dependent on anything. In this meditation, you will be loving yourself. To start this meditation, you have to sit comfortably. Close your eyes gently. Sit calmly. Disconnect yourself with all worldly thoughts. Tell your every thought that I am in meditation. I am experiencing myself. So for this time, please excuse me. In this meditation, we'll be going deep and deep inside. So let's start this meditation. Inhale and exhale 3 times. Every breath should go very deep. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. When you are inhaling this time, experience that you are connected to your every cell. Feel that you are speaking to every cell. Inhale and exhale. This time when you are inhaling, touch your root chakra. Inhale and exhale. In this breath, when you are inhaling, touch your Swadhisthana chakra. Inhale and exhale. This time when you are exhaling and inhaling, touch your Manipur chakra, your navel chakra. Inhale and exhale. Now touch your heart chakra. Inhale and exhale. Now this time touch your neck chakra, your throat chakra. Inhale and exhale. This time when you are inhaling, touch your third eye chakra. Inhale and exhale. Now your crown chakra. Inhale and exhale. Connect your crown chakra with the God's light. Inhale. This time go up, up, up in the universe and touch the God's light and bring the God's light on your crown chakra. Exhale and the light on your crown chakra. Inhale, connect to the God's light. Exhale and bring the God's light on your crown chakra. Inhale and exhale. Sit on your crown chakra. Experience every petal is connecting to God's light. Every petal is absorbing the God's light and radiating this light to your brain. This light is going to your eyes. Now this light from your crown chakra is going on your face cells. This light from your crown chakra is going on your neck. From your crown chakra, this light is going on your shoulders, your hands. And from the crown chakra, this light is going on your spines, 33 vertebrae. See, this light is traveling in your spine. This light is in your heart now. This light is going in your lungs. This light is going in your kidneys, your liver, your pancreas, your intestines. All your organs are absorbing this light. Inhale. Feel the deep connection with this light. Exhale. Inhale. As you are inhaling with God's light, exhale. When you are exhaling, exhale this light from your crown chakra to all your organs. Inhale. Touch the God's light in the universe. Exhale. Send this light to all your organs. Inhale. And exhale. When you are inhaling, feel you are touching the God's light. Inhale. Go up in the universe and touch the God's light. Exhale. And when you are exhaling, feel you are getting the shower in God's light. This light is going in every organ of your body. Every cell of yours is absorbing this light. Inhale. Exhale. This light is traveling in your feet. Inhale. And exhale. When you are exhaling this light now from your brain to your toes, see yourself covering your body in this light. All your cells are inside this light. All your organs are inside this light. And your body is becoming a light body. Now send this light to your subconscious mind. Assume you know where is your subconscious mind is. And just connect and say, today I am going to put all that I want inside you. Feel the connection with your subconscious mind. Inhale deeply again. Touch the God's light and bring the God's light to your subconscious mind. Inhale, touch the God's light and exhale, bring it to your subconscious mind. Inhale and bring it to your subconscious mind. Now you are inside your subconscious mind. Feel you are happy with yourself. A very beautiful cloud inside your subconscious mind. Your happiness cloud. Now say every word with lot of knowledge, with lot of knowingness, because every word that we speak, our subconscious mind makes a picture of it. Every word that we speak, it takes it as we want it. So every word you feel and speak, this time to your subconscious mind. I am so happy today. I am so happy with my every cell. I am so happy in my every organ. I am so happy in my brain. I am so happy in my every action. I am so happy when I am drinking my coffee. I love myself the way I drink. When I am drinking my water, I love myself the way I am drink. When I eat my food, I love myself. I love the way I eat. I love the way I have my water. I love the way I walk. I love the way I speak. I love the way I stand. I love the way I look. Whenever I see myself in the mirror, I say, you are damn good. You are the best creation of God. When I wear any dress, I admire myself. I see my hairs with lot of happiness. I see my eyes and adore them. I see everything on my body and adore that. I am loving myself. I am the biggest admirer of mine. I am the biggest fan of mine. I love myself. I am my idol. I am loving myself. I am happy with myself. I am so happy with every action which I do. Every action of mine comes with this love. I love myself. This is the core. This is the sense. From this every action occurs. I am busy loving me. I don't have time to hate. I don't have time to criticize. I don't have time to judge because I am loving myself. I don't have time to see anyone's mistake. My all the cells and every organ is dancing with me. My every cell enjoys my company. My subconscious mind enjoys my company. And my subconscious mind takes all the commands that I do, and we create combinedly positive life. Me, my subconscious mind and conscious mind, we all are one, and we create a beautiful life. I am loving myself. Every moment my love is increasing for myself. Every moment I am happy with myself. When When I read any book, I love myself. When I watch TV, I love myself. When I talk to anyone, I'm busy loving me. I barely pay attention on anything. I just love myself because my love is increasing for myself. My every cell is increasing this love, and this love is flowing to every person around me. I am loving myself. When I see someone, I send this beautiful love because I am loving myself. Every moment my love is increasing. My every cell is so happy with me. My every organ is very happy with me. I am loving myself. I am loving myself. And my subconscious mind knows that my life is very happy. My life is very beautiful. My life will be very beautiful. My life is so very good. My life is so beautiful. My life is blessed. My love for my life is increasing. My love for my everything is increasing. I am happy with myself. I am happy with myself. I am happy with myself. This is the best life. This is the best moment when I'm hugging myself. Every night I hug myself and I wish good night to me. Every night I hug myself and I wish good night to me. Every morning I hug myself and wake up with a beautiful smile. Every morning I say, good morning, darling. Every morning I say, I love you. Every moment I am speaking to myself, I love you. Every moment my love is increasing for myself. Every moment I am so happy. I am so connected to the core. Every moment my subconscious mind is increasing this love for me. Every moment my subconscious mind is clear that I want to love myself. Every moment my subconscious mind is clear that I am increasing love. And I am in the love. I am in the love for myself. 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 And now with this thought, I'll be sleeping. With this thought, I'll be waking up. This is the thought every morning and every night. When I sleep, I say good night, darling. When I wake up, I say good morning, darling. Every moment, I am happy with myself. I walk with myself with happiness. I talk with myself with happiness. I am the biggest admirer of mine. I am the biggest fan of mine. When you feel like done, when you are done with your meditation, you can come out. You're saying thank you to your every cell. Thank you to your subconscious mind. Thank you to your God. Thank you to your every spiritual angel, those who are helping you. Thank you so much. Say thank you with the heart. Thank you with every organ. Thank you with every cell. Thank you, thank you, thank you.